Alright, how are we looking in here? I gotta pick up a washer and dryer, guys. I think we'll be able to get it in here. Put the dryer in first to put the washer back here because it's heavier. And yeah, I think we'll be good. Okay guys, headed out now. It's about 25 minute ride to pick these up. I thought they were a lot closer, but yeah, I'm gonna, jeez, I guess go pick them up, get them in the back. So I guess I'll show you once we get there. Okay guys, I don't know where it is. I think right here there's a red fence. I think she said by a red fence. I'm not sure. I gotta look. So we might be here. I'm gonna try to use the GoPro however I can. Okay guys, so I'm here. It's not that house, but I think it's over there, that gray house there. Apartment complex. It might be. I might have to drag this thing all the way down the fence, and I have no way of moving it because I didn't bring a dolly. I said I'm here, but we gotta see what happens here. Okay guys, here's one. So dryer feels kind of wet, but see what I can do moving this up to the front here. Figure I put this one. Oh, the hand cart is there. It has a flat tire, so it's no help. These were supposed to be on the curb, by the way. Alright guys, there they are. Gonna head out now. I also picked up a vacuum from a house down there. I walked across the street basically, picked up a vacuum. I wanted to show you everything once we get out of here. I'm gonna head home now, so. Okay guys, as soon as we can get out, I will, there's a lot of cars coming, as you can see, a lot of cars coming by here. Everybody's coming this way. There's something on the curb I want to pick up. Another car. I can't even get out. Oh, another one. Can't get out of the car. Just to, there comes a car down there. This is a bad spot, guys. Here comes the police. Alright. I just want to get out of here, guys. This is a bad spot. The cops already went by. Here we go. Here we go. Quick little pickup here. Oh, shoot. Some heavy stuff for sure, guys. I really don't want to do no damage, but we gotta hurry up. And I'm gonna come out here. I gotta, it says stop over there, but you gotta come all the way around. And we're gonna go for it here. People don't take care of their vehicles. They're just in a hurry. They don't care if they bang them up, you know, bottom out on the bottom on the transmission bolt and stuff like that. You know, I take my time driving, guys, because I care about my vehicles. Okay guys, basically I'm here to pick up a grill. I forgot my bikes. We went bike riding. I left my bikes back here, but we got a, it's not that big. It's a nice sized grill. We'll go pick it up right now. Pick it up. Little strap. Oops. Oops. Whoops. We gotta clean a mess. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and get this in. Okay guys, got ourselves a little grill, little scrap grill here. Get out of here, comes a truck. Okay guys, here's the grill we just picked up. Take a quick look. Expert grill. Wow, 800 degrees there. I don't know what this is all about here. This little side door is pretty cool. I thought it'd be much bigger. There is a removable pop bottle opener, soda bottle opener, beer bottle opener on here. I might take that off. Maybe I'll screw it somewhere on the side. But that's the grill, guys. Very old. Still got part of the sticker residue. Something about grill cover. Can't really make it out too much, but 48-inch grill cover right there. What does that say? Not sure. Obviously they heated it up with the sticker on it. Now Walmart.com right there. I wonder if we could return it. Looks like the UPC or the code is right there, but I don't think they take it, guys. So what I gotta do, guys, is work on, wow, this beat, huh? Taking this thing apart and getting it all taken down. And why I say take it, oh look, man, it rises right up. Look at that, guys. This was a cool grill back in the day. But yeah, we're gonna take it all apart. So I have a bunch of other scrap we gotta get rid of here. So I'm gonna do one big trip. Okay guys, some of this stuff's hard to film when you're by yourself trying to load stuff and put stuff in the back of the van, but this is what we got here. Got these two today, washer and dryer. We got these bed frames and some cordage here from this vacuum. We also got a cord here from the wash machine, and we got a nice thick cord here from the dryer with brass. So nice. If you look over here, we got this nice antique grill here. Not too bad today, finds. Free, guys. I'll tear all this down. This will be 3 wash machines. There's a wash machine there. Here's a wash machine and dryer. So two wash machines, 1 dryer. Total scrap here. And we got a grill. We got a couple of air conditioners and some odds and ends over there. So I'll be making a run soon to the scrapyard.